Hi Bio5 and welcome to week 13. And I've posted for you some of your 6-word philosophies. They're great. I really enjoyed reading those, so I posted them for you to look at. Another thing I wanted to remind you, and I've posted also, is that schools will be asking you whether the course that you took in anatomy and physiology really covers what they want to be covered for their schools. And of course it does, but they want proof of that. And so they're going to be asking you to send a syllabus or a schedule, which is what they want. They want to see what was covered. So keep those, because if not, you'll have to be emailing me about them. And that's what a lot of people do, but it really is easier for everybody if you have that ahead of time. So keep those. Your exams were good. I'm delighted. It was better than the average last time. And it went up to 70 if I remove the two lowest, which were quite low. Then it goes up to the regular 73, 74. So well done. That was good. That was a good result. Also, I wanted to tell you about the results of some of your quizzes for the cases have been good. Those have been in the 80s usually, the mean. The quizzes for the end of the chapter usually go up to 90s. So good. That's where we need to be. So that's been excellent. On my notes here, this week you have a case, and it's about a cross-country runner, a gal who is running cross-country and she runs into a deer. So we're starting respiratory, and that's what this case is about this week. And I think you'll enjoy it. Next week is Thanksgiving, so we're not going to have a case. We're not going to have a lab, but we will have the regular lecture material. I think that's it. Keep up the great work. I've been seeing some of you in office hour, and that's been good. And we have good office hours, good discussions. So join if you need to and want to, and it's excellent if you do. So hope to see you there. And have a good week. All right, guys, bye.